Next question. Choose the halogen which is most reactive towards SN1 reaction in the given compounds. Now, option A. There are two halogens marked as A and B. Bromine marked as A and B. We have to find out which one of this bromine is most reactive towards SN1. Now, SN1 reaction proceeds by the formation of carbocation. For example, a compound like this, suppose CH3, H, CH3, and here halogen. This carbon halogen bond breaks and it results in the carbocation intermediate and the halide ion. So this is the intermediate form. Now, the more is the stability of the carbocation formed, more will be the reactivity of this given compound towards SN1 reaction. Out of these two bromine atoms, if this bromine leaves as bromide ion, then the carbocation which is formed will be stabilized by the delocalization of the positive charge on the benzene ring. What will happen? These pi electrons will come here and this positive charge will get delocalized on the benzene ring. So, carbocation formed by the loss of bromine marked as A is more stable than the carbocation formed by the loss of bromine marked as B. So, the halogen which is most reactive towards SN1 in this compound is bromine marked as A. So, for A it is bromine which is marked as A. Next, option B. Now, iodine marked as A and iodine marked as B. If this iodine marked as A leaves as iodide ion, then there is positive charge on this carbon. This positive charge gets delocalized due to the presence of the pi bond on the adjacent carbon. So, the carbocation formed if iodine marked as A leaves as iodide ion is more stable than the carbocation formed if the iodine marked as B leaves as iodide ion. So, the halogen which is more reactive here is the iodine marked as A. So, for option B, it is iodine which is marked as A. Next, C. Now here there are two bromine atoms, one which is present at the bridgehead position. This will not leave as the bromide ion. Instead, bromine marked as B will leave as bromide ion, giving stable carbocation. This is so because we can't remove bromine from bridgehead carbon. So for option C, more reactive halogen is bromine marked as B. Next, option D. In option D, bromine marked as A. This bromine, it is more reactive towards SN1 because if this carbon bromine bond breaks, then the carbocation which is formed is the tertiary carbocation, and tertiary carbocation is more stable than the secondary or primary carbocation. If this bromine which is marked as B leaves as bromide ion, then the carbocation which is formed is primary carbocation, which is less stable than the tertiary carbocation. So, bromine which is more reactive towards SN1 in option D is bromine marked as A. So, bromine A. So, correct option out of 1, 2, 3 and 4 is option 1. For A, bromine marked as A. For B, iodine marked as A. For C, bromine marked as B. And for D, bromine marked as A.